Cooking for a crowd, mastering large-scale meals. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore an interesting and useful phrase, cooking for a crowd. Whether you're a beginner or advanced learner, understanding these types of phrases can greatly enhance your English skills. Let's dive into what this phrase means and how you can use it in real-life situations. Cooking for a crowd refers to the act of preparing meals for a large number of people. This could be for family gatherings, parties, events, or any occasion where you expect to serve more than just a few guests. The phrase emphasizes not just the act of cooking, but doing so on a scale that goes beyond the everyday meal preparation for an individual or a small family. When you're cooking for a crowd, there are several important aspects to consider. 1. Planning. This involves deciding on the menu, considering dietary restrictions, and ensuring you have enough ingredients. 2. Scaling recipes. Learning how to adjust recipes to serve a larger number of people is crucial. 3. Time management. Preparing food for many people requires efficient use of your time and resources. 4. Serving. Thinking about how to serve the meals effectively, whether buffet style, family style, or plated meals. Here are some helpful tips for successfully cooking for a crowd. Start early. Give yourself plenty of time to plan, shop, and cook. Keep it simple. Choose recipes that are straightforward and can be easily scaled up. Batch cooking. Prepare dishes in batches to save time and ensure consistency. Ask for help. Don't hesitate to enlist friends or family members to assist with preparation or serving. Cooking for a crowd also has cultural significance in many societies. It's often associated with communal gatherings, celebrations, and expressing care through food. Understanding this context can enrich your appreciation of the phrase and the activities it describes. We hope this video has shed light on the phrase, cooking for a crowd, and inspired you to tackle large-scale meal preparations with confidence. Whether you're cooking for a party, a family reunion, or any large gathering, remember the key points we discussed. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more useful English language tips. Happy cooking, and see you in our next video.